Hi kids, in this video we learn about deadliest creatures vocabulary. Let's start. Fossa, fossa, red fox, red fox, golden poison frog, burn owl, burn owl, golden eagle, golden eagle, Asian giant hornet, Asian giant hornet, margay, margay, lion, lion, grey wolf, grey wolf, spotted hyena, spotted hyena, Siberian tiger, Siberian tiger, African savanna elephant, African savanna elephant, great white shark, great white shark, bull shark, bull shark, Tasmanian devil, Tasmanian devil, brown rat, brown rat, Gila monster, Gila monster, giant squid, giant squid, cheetah, cheetah, stoat, stoat, camel spider, camel spider, red lionfish, red lionfish, red-bellied piranha, red-bellied piranha, blue ring octopus, blue ring octopus, giant Pacific octopus, giant Pacific octopus, puff eider, puff eider, inland taipan, inland taipan, domestic cat, domestic cat, chimpanzee, chimpanzee, cape buffalo, cape buffalo, polar bear, polar bear, moose, moose, common hippopotamus, common hippopotamus, African wild dog, African wild dog, snow leopard, snow leopard, African diver ant, African diver ant, Anopheles mosquito, Anopheles mosquito, boom slang, boom slang, king cobra, king cobra, ghost bat, ghost bat, peacock mountain shrimp, peacock mountain shrimp, web barfish, web barfish, brown tree snake, brown tree snake, green anaconda, green anaconda, hairy eagle, hairy eagle, peregrine falcon, peregrine falcon, Komodo dragon, Komodo dragon, saltwater crocodile, saltwater crocodile, parenti, parenti, Sloloris, Sloloris, reef stonefish, reef stonefish,